Hey there. Worried about hidden fees eating into your returns? The great news is that avoiding fees at Charles Schwab is easy. They're designed to be investor-friendly with transparent pricing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's what you need to know. Schwab has no account minimums and no commissions on online stock, ETF, and options trades. Their extensive list of Schwab ETFs and mutual funds also have no transaction fees. The key fees to be aware of are for certain mutual funds from other companies or for broker-assisted trades. For their robo-advisor, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, there's $0 in advisory fees, though you do hold a cash allocation. My crucial pro tip? Stick to Schwab's own fund family and online trading. To virtually eliminate fees, build your portfolio using Schwab's excellent, low-cost index ETFs and mutual funds. Look for symbols starting with SCH or SWPPX. Use the website or app for all your trades instead of calling a broker. That's how you keep more of your money invested and working for you. How important are low fees when you choose an investment platform? Extremely important, or just one factor? Tell me below. For more guides on cost-effective investing, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.